Hello, and welcome to Nu Skin. I'm Ryan Napierski, and I'm excited to introduce you to your new business opportunity. Here at Nu Skin, we're passionate about fostering true growth and success, creating unique, effective products, and being a force for good in the world. You've really joined something special. We know you're anxious to get started, so here are a few suggestions. Reach out to the one who personally registered you and let them know you're ready to go. Purchase products for yourself and share those products that you love with others. Access the Learning Center where you'll be introduced to the company values, velocity, Nu Skin's sales performance plan, exclusive products, and several tools and tutorials that will help you learn how to market the products, earn money, and build your business. We're incredibly excited to have you as part of the team, and I look forward to seeing all of your success as you discover the best you. Again, welcome to Nu Skin. Here, it's your life, your business, your way.